Hey everyone, it's my discussion presentation for Module 6, obviously by me, David Dermody. So just wanted to talk about some of the techniques I was going to use in the sales proposal that we'll be submitting in the coming weeks. And so I think the most that were applicable, and of course I've mentioned this in some of my videos in the past, but I'm literally just going to use the proposal format that we have as our tool with the company I'm currently employed with, being as though I'm in a sales role. So I think it's very translatable, but I think the predominant techniques that will be used are the ethos and logos. And I think, in our format, establishing kind of an overview, giving a little bit of credentials, and kind of just displaying our tenure in the territories that we serve goes a long way. And then, we try to, in a transparent and clear way, provide breakdown of system costs with the differential of the equipment cost versus the labor cost. I think customers really like. We provide estimated return on investments in a timeline that is usually suitable and comes in the form of just production offsets. And then we also map out potential monthly and annual production offset in the first year in terms of what the solar energy system would contribute to electricity bill. And just from receiving feedback of customers that were vetting us versus competitors, I think they really like kind of that transparency, straightforwardness to our proposals. We really try to rule out any kind of smoke and mirrors, limit any kind of nonsense, and keep it most concise as possible, and I think that plays a positive role. I think moving forward, I would like to trickle in a little bit of the pathos. I don't think, being solar is really a form of, or equation rather, of science and weather patterns. So there's not too much emotion to it, but I think to kind of add a little bit of a blurb to just kind of captivate people in that overview page could be helpful. And then by just kind of remaining honest while highlighting our strengths as our company in particular could also invoke some enthusiasm and intern sales. That's how I could potentially incorporate all three of the pathos, logos, and ethos techniques. But past that, I appreciate you guys listening.